So let's start. So as we discussed in our last class, we are going to notice that after the installation of the packages, we are going to see this. Yes, we are going to see this. So the next thing is that we come here and click on terminal. Then click on new terminal. We give it some seconds. Then we are going to type NEN start. I hope you can see it. So you give it some minutes or seconds for it to load. It's going to bring out a scanning code. And also this place you can draw like this and you can draw back in case this tab is too big for you, you can draw back. So just give it some seconds to load. So you can bring out something like this without worry. Just let it load. You are going to see it not for project. So if you have your iOS, if you use your iPhone, just go to your camera after installing Xcode on your application on your phone. If you're using the iOS or the Windows, sorry, or the Android, just go to Play Store or Apple Store and install Xcode app. So if you're an Android user, open the Xcode app, right, and scan. You're going to scan and scan this code. If you're an iPhone user, right, just go to the camera and scan this code. It's going to open the Xcode app directly. So after that, me, I'm making use of emulator. Later in the class, I'll be explaining to you how to get this emulator. So to run it, all I need to do is to press A. I'm going to see it. Open the Android. Then here, I press A. You see opening. You can see how it's loading. That's why it's also going to load on your application. Just give it some time. It's going to burn through and load. So good. As you can see this, so you can also press continue. It's going to bring this. And you can just easily just close it. So now, as you can see our application, let me try to enlarge it. So as of now, this is what our application looks like. I need some seconds to balance it. This is what our application looks like. These are going to be the phone. So, same thing you need to understand. I've explained all these parts. So, come to, I told you earlier that there is something called the entry point of the application. That's where your app loads from. If you open, for example, now your Facebook application, you are going to see the entry point, how it goes. So, click on here, app, click on layout, right? So, here it is. So, here it is. So, now I'm going to place everything here and see. You notice that it's going to crack. If I want to open the terminal again, I can just come right here under and draw it there. Nothing happened. Then I'm going to press out to reload. Can you see the reload? So for now, just do it. So one thing I explained the other day is that first you need to first import, you need to first import React from React, then write this const, let's say const my keyboard, const app is equal to this is a function export default app return right? Then you are going to make use of the component. I explained the other day. First, we have the view, we have the text, and we have the style sheet. I'm explaining like this because the other day we have exposed of these things from React Native, even make mistake. I'm going to close this part. I'm going to enlarge it a bit so you can see. So in this case, we know that view serve as the wrapper, right? Good. So when I save this and I reload, so if you take notes, there's nothing within display. So I told you the other day that if you want to display a text, you have to make use of the text component. So you open your tag, you input the text component. You see. So let's say I want to write hello world. You can see it right here. Every time I see it's going to reload. It's those are one of the ability that I told you that React Native have. That auto reloading. When I say it's going to reload and show what I just did. Can you see it? So hello world. I can say hello world to you all. Can you see it? If I want to open my terminal, I will open it like this. And I can easily press reload, right? In case it's not doing the auto reload. Or just click and press out, it's going to reload. But most time, let me say every time, by the time you are working and you press save, it's going to reload. Very good. So now that's for the test component. So let's move on. Okay, I don't think I explained the style sheet the other day. So yes, for me to make use of style sheet, I have to const styles is equal to style sheet, which I've already imported, dot create. You can remember with the other class. Hence it dot create. Then this one, I'm going to what give it style, just like class in HTML, right? Then the name for this, which is the styles, I'm going to write it styles dot, let me write page, right? So in this case, I'll bring in page. So I can give it background color of, let's say, red. You can see. So the other day I explained the flex. Flex, what's the flex used for? You can see flex makes it to cover the whole page. That's the flex as of now. So that's it. So now I'm not going to use white. I'm not going to use red, let me use white. So after that, let me in this place, let me delete style. So let me open my notepad and explain a concept. The other day I told you that we have three types of styling. One, we have the inline style. Two, we have the internal style. And three, we have the external style. So what I'm doing right here is what I call the inline, the internal style right here. Please note that if here, if what I'm writing here is, let's say, Peter, Peter will be the one here. It's going to be Peter dot page. Very good. But the efficient way or the natural way of writing is just starts. Okay, right? Get. So good. In this place, I also want to write styles dot. I can write something like okay, um, hello text, hello text, and down here I'm going to come and write hello text. So one of the styling you can give to text is font size. Let me say font size of text. If I want to give it color, I'm not going to write background color, but rather I'm going to write color, just color. So let's say black. So color of black, right? If I want to bold it, I'm going to write font width of. So we have 100, 200, 300. I'm going to go for bold. See where it's bold. So let me use 200 for example. You can see the difference. It's way more lighter. I'm going to use bold. These are styles that you test component. Right? I'm going to come down here. If I, for example, if I need to go to the bottom, most time I have to come here and press enter. But with Visual Studio Code, you can just anywhere you are, just press Ctrl and enter, and you're going to go to the next one. So test again. I'm going to write my name is Michael, right? I'm going to write style. So this time around, I'm not going to use the internal style, I want to use the inline style. I'm going to have two curly brackets, double, then font size of let's say 20, right? Color of red. Now I'm having an error because I should write font size here, not font family. My bad. Font size. Can you see it? It's good. The mine is Michael. So that's that for the text. That's that for the text. And also the style sheet. So we are going to be exploring the other components. Let's move on. So number 4, we have the button. The most time don't use this button, but I just want to be aware of it, so I'm going to be also making use of it in the class. So we have what we call the button. So what does this button do? You come in, right? I can write this. I'm going to open it and I'm going to close it. Note, it has a self-closing tag. It's not as if I'm going to write it like this. Now I'm writing text. No, its own is a what? It's self-closing. So in the bottom, it's expected to pass some filters. That's why it's your name is here. Yeah, it's expected to pass some filters are composed. The first one is the title. These things are called props. It's more like look at these components, they are inbuilt and they are built already. So these props, this button has already been designed. It's just they are importing into make use of. And in the process of importing, you must pass some filters with, and those filters are called props. So the first one is the title. Let me use submit, for example, and see. You can see it. And I can also use something I call the background color. There's another prop to the background color. Let me use green. Okay, not background color, it's color. Can you see it? Green. So good. That's that for now. That's the button for now. Let me write down that button. Button, need blue. Another of title and I need blue. Can you see it? Good. So now, let's say that okay, I'm going to explain that in Flexbox class. So for now, those are the things we are going to be taking use of for this class.